the softer side of autumn. That's what I'm featuring in today's video. Hi everybody, I'm Frank Blanchard AIFD, and I am floral contributor for Florist Review magazine. I first started with some prep work so that I didn't have so many things to be handling while I was putting this together. So for starters, attached the water tubes to the shish kebab skewers, which create the base for my armature structure. I also took the Oasis bind wire, wrapping it around my hand several times and cutting it in one spot, just to create several short pieces. The shish kebab skewers go into the foam. I also secured that foam into the container with pan hot glue. I added some polished river stones that also gives it some more weight for stability. I then added branches to the top, attaching directly to the shish kebab skewers, as well as just separately to individual branches, creating this horizontal line. I then started with the English ivy, then added some Virginia sweetspire, and also some local vine maple. And we've got the roses, which are 3D is the variety name, and also Ranunculus, that are both from Rio Roses. Added a few scabiosa pods. I hope you'll give this style a try. I hope you'll subscribe to the Florist Review channel. There are a lot of great design educational videos with lots of great info for you. And until next time, we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.